What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a breakdown on my entire SKU system for hats. I've seen a lot of people do these SKU videos on clothing and things like that, but I figured if anyone sells hats or anything smaller that can be SKU'd like this, this video might be helpful to them, and I've had a bunch of questions on it. So let's dive right in. So basically the way I used to SKU my hats was just by the league. You can see I still have a section of the warehouse that looks like that. So I've got NFL, and then I've got it sorted by alphabet. I've got NBA by alphabet. I've got college football hats, all different types of hats, all sorted by the league. The problem with that was when I began to get this many hats, it's hard to kind of sort everything out that way. So the way I do it now is I just SKU it with a single letter. So basically, if you don't know what a SKU is, in the eBay listing, there's a thing called a custom SKU on mobile and item specifics. If you scroll all the way down, you can see it right there. And then on desktop, it's a little different. I've made an entire video on that. I'll link above on how to SKU your items. So basically, this is an A tub, and I have A through J, K, L right now, and I'm filling N. Oh, no, wait. No, I have through N on the bottom here. Through N. You can't even see that. They come all the way down here. We got through N down there. So basically, I have each one of these. Most of them are full. This one needs to get refilled. I've got them full of hats. So when I go to list this hat, I put A in the custom SKU, and then I know when it sells to come right to the A tub, and it's going to be there. And like I said, these do empty out as I sell, so then I will SKU new hats to go in those and then put them away. So it's a very easy system for hats, and I can fit anywhere between like 80 and 100 hats in each one of these tubs, so it works really well. And also I print my labels ahead of time, which makes it really easy because I can just write on the back exactly which one I'm looking for. See if I can get that to focus in. I can write on the back which one I'm looking for, and then you can see I've got the custom SKU there. So let's do that one right now. So we got Guardians Flower A-frame, and it's in tub I. Tub I is right here. So I simply just pull the tub out. It's not going to be on the top because that would be too easy. I can look under. There it is. Just like that. Put it right there, and on to the next one. So the system before actually worked very well, and I still use it. So I will still fill those tubs up, but again, I have way more hats. So if it's not SKU'd, then I know it's in the league tub and it's sorted by alphabet. But if it is SKU'd, then I know exactly what tub it's in. So it works really well, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys what went into that. I also want to show you how the bins get here, how I fill it at home because I list at home. So let's show that right now. Disregard the mess. I just listed all these, so I kind of have them all sorted in the bags there. They won't look like this for long. Then I'm bringing them over here, and I'm SKUing them in the tubs. So you can see I just did a P tub. Then also it's mainly that, so that's why I put that on there, just so it's easy to find. And then I come here, anything in P, I look up and put it in. Normally when I list, I would just fill a tub as I list. So say I list these and it's in the Q tub, Q. I list these, Q as I'm listing. Problem is I ran out of tubs, so I listed all that the other day with no tubs. And now that it's already listed, I'm just SKUing it here on the laptop. So it's definitely more efficient to do it while you're listing, but it also works well this way as well. So we'll have all this out to the warehouse, and it'll look like it did at the beginning of this video. So then after that, obviously, once the tubs are full, I bring them out here. I need to get one more rack actually, because I am out. It just goes through N right now, and then I got some random things on the bottom. But if I can get one more of these racks, I should be able to fit A through Z on here, and then that is exactly how many hats I want to have. So should work perfectly fine. And also, like I said at the beginning of this video, it's not even just for hats. If you're storing like little knickknacks or video games or something, just SKUing them in tubs literally with a single letter makes it so easy to find, because organization is so key in this game. If you can't find what is selling, it's going to make it very difficult. So very nice that I can just put exactly what is on here and look for it. Got another one, Astros Black Golfer, right there. Just makes it so easy to find everything and gather everything up fast. So definitely get a SKU system for your stuff. If you guys would like to see how I sort all of my shoes and everything, as I have a lot of unboxed shoes, I've got a lot of boxed shoes. So if you're interested in that, if you're a shoe seller, comment that down below. I'll make that later. But hopefully if you sell hats or smaller items, this is able to help you figure out how to use a SKU system, or maybe you didn't even know the SKU system existed. So hopefully this was able to open your eyes to that. Let me know any questions you have down below, and I'll try my best to answer them. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.